Wiz Khalifa is parting ways with his Los Angeles home after a little over 3 years. The 34-year-old rapper, born Cameron Thomaz, listed his traditional modern property in Encino, California, for nearly $4.5 million, about $1 million more than what he paid for it 3 years ago, according to Dirt. The 5,875 square foot home features 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and 1/2 bathroom with stylish and sophisticated touches throughout, including a floating staircase, floor-to-ceiling glass pocket doors, 25-foot ceilings, exotic woods and custom lacquer cabinetry. Amenities include a 100-bottle wine bar, home theater, pool and spa, as well as a cabana, an outdoor kitchen, sports court and outdoor terrace with a wraparound balcony. The home is listed through Alan Taylor of Compass and Brian Capicella of Cap Equity. The indoor kitchen features a breakfast nook overlooking the private grounds, waterfall island, custom lacquer cabinetry, built-in Miele appliances, walk-in pantry and a pass-through to the formal dining room. Upstairs holds 4-bedroom suites as well as an outdoor terrace and wraparound balcony offering views of the Santa Susana Mountains. Wiz purchased the home just over 3 years ago after several years of renting a Los Angeles home for $16,000 a month, per Dirt. He's also the owner of a home in Pittsburgh. Dirt also reports that the See You Again artist recently purchased a modern farmhouse for $7.6 million. The 8,000 square foot home holds 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, including a 450 square foot guest house equipped with a kitchenette. A large driveway sits in front of the home, which also features a 3-car garage, according to the outlet.